your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson at Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, and we have our favorite crack addict special, Nelda, here with us this morning. So we're going to give you all your morning fix. Let's have you take a look in the mirror here for me, Nelda. Flex your head forward and backwards. Nelda's been having a few headaches here this week, and she's a little bit rotated and translated in her head. You can see her head's off like this. She's been sleeping on her side, which she says she has to do because her husband snores. Oh, man. Try that again. There we go. Alright. There we go. That's it. That's it. Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm going to get right up at your atlas and occiput here and get rid of that headache. Drop it in my hand. There you go. Atta girl.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am. I was locked up today.
Mm-hmm.
Not anymore. That works better than pinching your nose, huh?
Michael, I know you're pinching my nose at night.
Yeah. She said she thinks her husband's been pinching her nose at night like she's sleeping on her side all the time. Most people do, in fact, sleep on their sides, and that's one of the number one ways that your spine can be misaligned, because we sleep a third of our lives. Right leg's coming up about a quarter of an inch shorter. That evens up, that tighten up a little bit in your low back.
Mm-hmm.
Right there, yep. So we're going to test her right SI first. And then her sacrum right in the center. Breathe normal. That's it. Yep. Okay. Now I'm going to pop your head up a little bit here. You're losing a little bit of your curve in your neck too. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. You been sleeping with a big pillow too? Okay, now slide down this way a little bit. That's it. Put your arms out like this. Just your AC joint, your costo, or clavicular sternal joint, sternoclavicular joint, and now the costosternal joints. There. Alright. Just let this relax. There we go. Better than a cup of coffee to get you going in the morning. There. Okay, let me put it here. There we go. That's it right here. There we go. And
got
the
them
left
both
one.
this
Yep.
morning.
Yep. We had to give those crack addicts their fix.
And mine too.
And yours too, yeah. There we go.
Oh wow, that helped a lot.
adjusted some other patients' ears here for tinnitus, which is ringing in the ears, and that full feeling that you get when you have an ear infection. And it's helped all of them. Good. Okay, let's try that same thing again, Nelda. Very good. That's better. Okay, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson and Nelda, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. So we hope you enjoyed this fix this morning. We'll see y'all soon.